Hi, I just wanted to make a quick video and really quickly just show you how to find the most recent feedback that I sent out. So to find your feedback, probably the easiest way is to go up to My Grades and Class Progress. So for the first drafts, for actually all the drafts except for the final drafts, those are actually going to count as quizzes. So if you come down here along the left-hand side and click on Quizzes, so that'll bring you up to all the menu of all of the quizzes here, and so just scroll down to week 4. And there's the week 4 first draft is the one that I gave feedback on this week. So just click here on Details, and that should pop up your feedback. So let me know if you have or if you're having any trouble finding it. But in theory, that's where it should be. And just let me know though if it's not showing up, and I can just email your feedback if there's any issue. So thanks so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.